Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Basically, in this video, I'll be discussing about the complete discussion related to SRM JEE Phase 2 examination. Yes, guys, I was getting most of the query related to Phase 2 only, so I decided to make a complete detailed video over it. Guys, most of you are having the doubt, what if we have not given the Phase 1 examination? So can we give the examination of Phase 2 with that same application form? And what if we have got the PL? Can we give the examination of phase 2? Who can give, when, what are the dates, when is the mock test, when is the examination, when will we get the result? All I will going to discuss in this video. So I would suggest you to watch the video till the end so that you don't miss out anything. So without any further delay, let's get started. Guys, now let's first talk about the dates of SRM JEE Phase 2 examination. Guys, application form filling has been closed on 20th of June. Most of you were asking that when will the slot booking start. So guys, it will be going to start on 23, 24 and 25 of June. Guys, when is the mock test? So it will be held on 26 and 27 of June, and your examination is on 29 and 30th June. Guys, when will be the result? So guys, it's not the confirmed date, but the SRM University is claiming that they will be giving out or taking out the results on 5th of July. It's not the exact date. The dates may be vary according to their management. So kindly look to it. Now let's move to the next topic. Basically, most of you are asking that if we have not given phase 1 and we have filled the application form, so can we give the phase 2 with that same application form? So guys, yes, as you can see on the screen, one of my subscribers sent to me this, that he raised a query related to it only. So it's clearly mentioned there, if you have not given phase 1, so you can give the phase 2 examination without resubmitting that application form. And guys, if you have already again filled the application form, so don't worry, you can use that new credentials also for giving the exam. But if you have given the phase 1 examination, so you have to again fill the application form to give phase 2. And guys, remember my point that no rank of phase 1 will be considered in phase 2. So kindly remember this before giving the phase 2 examination. And guys, if you are thinking that you have got the PAL, so can you give the phase 2 and secure a seat? So guys, no, you can't, because the seat is already allotted to you. So now it's your choice that if you want to accept it or not. But guys, in my opinion, you should at least make a call over it only, like you want to take the seat or not, because after all you have done your hard work and you have got the rank over it. So totally your choice that you select the seat or not, because you don't know about the phase 2, how the exam will be. Will you get the better rank or the same rank related to your phase 1 only? Because the competition can be tough this time also, because many of the students who haven't given SRM JEE phase 1 can come back with a better preparation to give phase 2. So I guess competition will be slightly tough, because in my opinion, see guys, most of you have given VIT examination, NET examination. So most of the students now know that whether they can get secure a seat in that universities or not. So they will surely try to give the phase 2 examination of SRM. So guys, I guess when you have given so much of examination, so you will surely know what is the pattern, how is the level of examination. So most of you might secure a good rank in phase 2, or the newcomers coming in your competition can get a better rank, and competition might be tough this time. And talking about, if you have not got the seat in phase 1, you have already given the exam, you got the rank, but then also you haven't secured any branch and campus. So guys, I'm sorry, till now round 3 counseling has been also done and the results are also out. If you have not got the seat, I guess it was the last round, because I haven't got any update regarding the round 4 of counseling. I'm not sure whether it's going to happen or not. Round 3 was the last, I guess. So if you haven't got the seat but you want to take the admission in SRM University only, so phase 2 is the way only to get admission in SRM University. One more thing, guys. Most of you were saying that in your application form it's showing phase 1 and phase 2 examination combined. So can we give the examination on the basis of that only? So guys, once again I am repeating, if you have not given the phase 1 examination, then only you can use the same application form to give the phase 2. Rest all, you have to re-register it to give the phase 2. Only one condition is there: if you have not given phase 1 with that application form, then only you can give phase 2. Otherwise you have to register it again. So kindly remember it. And guys, one more thing. Most of you are saying or asking me that we have given some or we have written some wrong data at the time of application form filling. So is it a major issue or can we change it? So guys, yes, I am not sure, but it can be a major issue in the further processes when they will recheck your data. What else certificates and other things which you have uploaded there, they will again recheck it in the further processes at the time of your enrollment. So at that time it might create a problem for you. So I would suggest you to simply contact SRM or leave a email so that you can have a proof that beforehand only you have sent them the email regarding that you have filled the wrong data and this is the correct data which you have to kindly correct in our application form so that we don't face any problem in the further processes. So guys, kindly make a note of it. You have to make a correction over it, because in the further, again I am saying that in the further processes like in the time of enrollment and other stuff, it might create a problem. I'm not sure, but it can create a problem for you. So kindly remember this. So guys, I hope all your doubts have been cleared out. And again, I'm saying if you have any doubt related to phase 2 SRM University, you can directly comment in the comment section, or you can DM us on our Instagram handle, that is SRM Sutta, or you can also join our Telegram channel. You can ask the queries there also. Again, the channel name is SRM Sutta only. So guys, with this I would like to end the video. So guys, I hope you like this video. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you have any query related to SRM and other stuff, you can comment in the comment section, or you can directly ask us the questions on our Instagram handle or else on our Telegram channel also. And guys, one more thing, if you want to know how to fill the application form, I will be giving the link in the description part. You can check that out. The video contains the complete detailed video with the complete proof of screenshots of the email which I got at the time of my counseling time. So guys, kindly check that video out. It contains all the informative part that you require for your application form filling. So with this, I would like to end the video. Guys, again I'm saying, do like, share and subscribe to our channel if you find it informative. The main motto is to make you aware of all the problems or all the difficulties that we face at our time, so that you don't get or suffer from that problems also. So guys, with this I would like to end the video. Stay safe, stay at home.